A lot of people have asked me how to unlock one of the extra superpowers of Canva, which is frames. And they want to try to create custom frames out of all kinds of different things. What I want to show you today is how easy it is to make custom frames out of anything that's in the Keynote library or any shape that you custom make in Keynote. We're going to make them and turn them into custom frames for Canva. Very easy. Let's do it. So all I have here is a brand new blank presentation. I'm going to select everything here and delete it. I'm just going to simply go here to the shape palette, click it. I'm going to pick a few shapes. And then we're going to create a custom frame, and I'm going to do that by clicking on the pen tool here in the corner of the shape palette. So we're going to build a custom shape here. Anything we want to do, click that. So now we have 3 shapes. So let's click on the other 2, and we're going to enlarge those. Now all we have to do is fill these shapes with a custom image. Now how you do that easily in Keynote, you would typically select all of these, go over here to the Format Style palette, and go to Fill, Image Fill. You cannot use the default image that's built into Keynote. You got to use a custom image. So all I did was did a screen capture from my desktop, and I'm going to drag it over this little square here for the custom image. And I'll just grab it now and drag it over while these shapes are selected, and now they all are filled with my custom image. Only one more thing to do is to export this. So we're going to go over here to File, Export, File, Export to PDF. Then we're going to pick where we're going to save it. Export. So all we did was just had a custom shape with an image fill of our custom image and export it as a PDF. Now let's go into Canva and show you how to make it into a custom frame. So I'm going to go here to the upload button, and I'm going to drag and drop my PDF right here. Now all we have to do is remove our custom image, and we can refill these shapes with anything else we want to. So I'm going to go here to the shapes and click them and delete the custom images. And now let's fill them. We can fill it with a video. We can fill them with a photo, or we can fill them with a color. And as you see here, the video is playing inside that shape. Now you have a whole library of custom frames that are easy to make, easy to bring into Canva, and easy to use. All right, y'all, check out my next video for advanced techniques of doing this.